Fareeda Rafath and I welcome all of you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how I created this classic bold Kajal look. So let's see the tutorial. Here comes the first step. I'm going to apply Kajal all along my waterline. I like it thick, so I'm applying a thick layer of Kajal. This is the basic step. Now comes the second step. I'm going to tightline my upper eyelid. And now comes the third step. I'm going to apply eyeliner using the same Kajal pencil. The thickness of the liner is completely dependent on how you want it to be. I like it to be thick and bold, so I'm going to draw over and over the line so that it gives a thick eyeliner look and it looks bold and beautiful. Here I'm bringing out the Kajal. I'm repeating the same on the other eye as well. I'm using the same Kajal pencil as an eyeliner. That really gives a very bold look, and thick eyeliner can be drawn using Kajal. And this is how it turned out to be. So the next step is to make it look even more beautiful. I'm curling my lashes using an eyelash curler on both eyes, obviously. And to give that full look, I'm going to apply mascara after curling my lashes. This completes the entire look and it suits on every dress possible, Indian, Western, anything. This looks beautiful. You just need only 2 products for the entire look. Otherwise, for eyeliner and Kajal, only 1 product is required and that's it. It is so easy to create and it looks beautiful on Indian eyes. It is suitable on every dress. It's not at all out-fashioned. Classic Indian eyeliner is never out of fashion. It goes with every party, every function and every dress you wear. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, comment down how did you feel about it, and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to click on the bell button so that you get notified and you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Having said that, I'll be back with yet another easy and simple video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.